I have the Samsung Galaxy A34, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable the floating camera shutter. Now the default camera shutter is normally in one place, this one right here, and sometimes you might be holding your phone in a way that makes it hard for you to reach this camera shutter. So the camera app allows you to create another floating shutter button. So all you have to do to enable it is go to the camera app and then tap on the settings in the top left corner and then scroll down the camera settings to shooting methods. Tap on that and then you should see floating shutter button. Enable it. Once it's enabled, you can now go back to the main camera app and there's going to be a floating shutter button. And the beauty of a floating shutter button is you can move it anywhere you want on the screen. Okay, so you can take photos by pressing it from anywhere on the screen. To disable, again, on the camera app, go to settings in the top left corner. In the camera settings, scroll down to shooting methods, tap on that, and then floating shutter button, tap on it to turn that off, and that's how to disable that feature. Thanks for watching and good luck.